Almost every week, I hear, bro, breeding is no longer profitable. Breeding dogs, there's no more money in breeding dogs. The market is saturated, or people are no longer doing this, or people are no longer doing that. But the truth is, that is not the full story. That is not the full story. In this video, I will reveal to you why most dog breeders in Nigeria are going broke, and how smart dog breeders are busy cashing out massively, and they are doing it silently. My name is Logadims, a professional dog trainer, breeder, and agricultural entrepreneur. I help Nigerians and Africans build sustainable agric farms, become better dog owners, dog breeders, dog trainers, and I also help them build highly profitable agricultural businesses too. So if you love dogs, if you love agriculture, if you love animals, if you love success stories of people who have gone ahead, who have done a lot in the agricultural sector, this is the right place for you. Do well to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when next I drop a video. Now let's go into the topic properly. Now let me be honest. The problem with this thing is not just about breeding dogs. It is about the approach and how people approach or go into the breeding. I will be listing out 7 reasons why most dog breeders in Nigeria are currently going broke. Number 1 is they breed without planning. I tell you, you cannot say you're running a business without planning. And when we talk about planning, we're talking about the quality they put in, the quality they harness or build, and the quality they bring out. You cannot say you're breeding well, or you want to do very well in breeding, and all you're after is just the money, cash out. So you don't have plan. You're so blinded with or by the money you're expecting from it that you forget to plan properly. You forget that. You forget to talk about pedigree of the dog, or look into their pedigree, the bloodline, what you're breeding for. You forget to rate and evaluate some of your decisions. You will definitely find it hard in the long run. You may be lucky to get some vulnerable people to get from you, but as time goes on, people will wake up and they will know a lot about your brand, and it will be very detrimental to your brand. Now, number 2 is no record keeping. Now, because you don't record what you do in your kennel, you take the business or your kennel as just a normal something. That's the reason why you don't take records. You don't record how much you spend. You don't record how much you put in. You don't record what you're gaining and what you're losing. You treat it anyhow. And any business without proper recording is bound to fail. It is as simple as that. So start working on your record keeping. Make sure you have a file. Make sure you have a folder. Make sure you have a book where you document a lot of these things. It is very important. Now, number 3 is wrong pricing mindset. Most breeders sell puppies based on what others are selling or trend, and most of the time that is below what they spent. Now let's assume, or let's take for instance, although I know many people take this particular technique and they abuse it, they even make excess money from it, but most of the breeders who are into quality dogs lose. So if you feel, or you hear, German Shepherd dogs are now being sold for about 500,000 naira, the puppies, what you feed your dog is Royal Canine, and you had a litter of 8 puppies, all Royal Canine of about 200k, 180, 200k or more for each of them, and you spent at least 10 bags. We are not talking about the cost of the feeding now. We are not talking about the cost of vaccination. We are not talking about stress on your part. We are not talking about the vet bills, like the money you paid the vet for their services. We are not talking about the cost of cleaning equipment, what you used in cleaning, tidying the area. We are not talking about crates. We are not talking about stored fee, the money you paid for the stored service. We're not talking about transporting your female to the store or something. You never took out time to document these expenses, to write down these things. And because you heard, oh, this person is selling for 500k, and you say, oh, the price now is 500k. They ask you, say 500k or 550k, and you're happy. Oh, because this one is selling 500, I sold 550 or 600, I'm happy. I made money. No, if you check it properly, you're losing. So you have to work on your pricing mindset. Your price should be peculiar to your own struggle, your own kennel, what you spent based on your records. That is how it is. This is a business and you must treat it as one. You must start pricing your puppies based on their value, not emotions. And if what you have is a quack and you are planning to sell, please don't sell them at the price of very quality puppies. You don't have to be emotional. Sell them based on their value. That way you maintain your integrity. You understand? Very important. So number 4 reason why dog breeders fail and are backing out of breeding is that they don't have any marketing or strategy or marketing strategy. They don't have any of them. What do they post on their social media platforms? You see rubbish posts, irrelevant posts in a bad environment, and you expect people to take you seriously. It's a lie. You want to snap with your puppies and everybody is seeing how your tummy is big, how big how fat you are, how bogus, or your six-pack, or what, or your chest. What is a relationship between the puppy you are advertising and your bare body? So in fact, I think I'll take our time to talk about this marketing so that we get a full and well comprehensive idea on how to do this thing. It will really be of help. It will be very, very important to every dog breeder who wants to take their breeding career seriously or to the next level. So the 4th one is branding and marketing. You have to start working on that. Take time to invest in photography, or you can get a good phone, work on your logo, your kennel pages, and so on. It will really help. To really help. Then number 5 is too many breeds, so you lack focus. See, many breeders have if you go to their kennels, you see Rottweiler, you see Neapolitan Mastiff, you see German Shepherd dog, you see Bobo, you see Labrador, you see Eskimo, you see Kangaroo. You see only one breeder, more than 4 dog breeds. So how are you going to plan properly? How are you going to breed up to standard? How are you going to make sure that you're trying to uphold the standard of the breed when you're neither here nor there? You're just everywhere. It will be a very big challenge, I tell you. So the more you focus on one breed, or let's say at most 2-3 breeds, the better. One can take you a lot of time. Talk more of 2. If you can handle 2, fine. If you can handle 3, fine. But having a lot of breeds will make you or give you zero focus. You end up not doing even one properly. Number 6 is lack of mentorship. You see, I've been looking up to certain individuals for over 12 years, and trust me, I learned a lot from them. Now, one very good thing about mentorship is that it prevents you from making a lot of mistakes you would have definitely made walking that journey alone. It is as serious as that. If you feel you can walk the journey alone, you would be surprised at the kind of mistakes you make. But when you have a mentor in your life, you end up saving a lot, because the mistakes, the very costly mistakes you're supposed to have encountered, you had to skip them because someone who had gone through that path warned you and told you about them. So mentorship is very, very important. And number 7 is wrong mindsets about profit. You see, that's a very big challenge a lot of people have. They feel, oh, let me get a female dog and in 13 months or 12 months I'll cash out. No. Breeding is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not a get rich quick business, but you can become a very big man. You can make a lot of money from breeding. But it is not a get rich quick fast business. No. The goal is first build a name, then monetize your name. Build a brand, then monetize your brand. That's the best strategy. When you build a name, you build your brand and you monetize it, you will sell your puppies faster than any ads. I'm telling you. But if you get a puppy, say I'll get adults, and you get adults 6 months, adolescent 6 months, 7 months, 12 months, and they come on it, and you will struggle to sell that puppy, and you will start going into shortcuts. You start looking for shortcuts. Breeding is not a get rich quick business, but it is a business that is very, 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 very profitable, highly profitable. But first, you build your name, build your brand, and then you monetize. It could take 2 years, it could take 3 years, but in the end, you will smile. That's it. So these are the 7 things you need to know. Most breeders quit too early before their breakthroughs. I tell you, they quit too early. And that goes to show you that breeding is not failing. Dog breeding is not failing. It's just the mindset a lot of people have towards breeding. It's just the mindset people have towards breeding. So don't fall for those kind of things. Just make sure you treat your breeding, your kennel, as a real business. Invest in mentorship, invest in quality breeding stock, invest in relationship, work on your branding and marketing, and you're good to go. Your result will speak for you. Don't forget to also work on your knowledge about the dogs and the breeds you own. And trust me, you'll be glad you did. So if you found this video helpful, do well to hit the like button. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, do well to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I'll see you next time. Thank you.